In 2020, Cummins introduced EX ratings for the X15 Efficiency Series and increased availability to X12 engines in 2021. EX ratings pair the engine with the Eaton Cummins Endurant HD transmission, along with a GPS look-ahead device like the Cummins Acumen module or a compliant OEM module. The EX ratings deliver many drivability and fuel economy features. One of these features is called dynamic power. Here with us today are two experts from Cummins to help walk us through what drivers and fleets will experience when this feature is active.
Hi, I'm Russ Bowling.
And I'm Chris Tasnick.
Previous Cummins heavy-duty engines use torque control features to manage engine torque in order to maximize fuel economy. Dynamic power is the next iteration of this feature. Chris, tell us what makes dynamic power better.
Dynamic power takes the place of Smart Torque 2. Where Smart Torque 2 gave max torque based on load, Dynamic power calculates max torque based on load and grade.
Chris, what does that mean for the driver?
It means the vehicle is going to pull much in the same way whether it's carrying a heavy load or a light load. The feature will automatically adjust performance characteristics based on the load you're carrying. So in some situations, it'll feel like you're pulling a heavier load than you actually are.
This feature sounds great for increasing fuel economy, but what about when the driver needs power, like climbing uphill grades?
Dynamic power is automatically suspended in situations like highway on-ramps or steep uphill grades to allow easier merging and good vehicle speed on a grade. Let's take a look at an example. The truck is traveling eastbound on Interstate 64 and has a gross weight of 60,000 pounds. Necessary power is provided to pull the truck along this stretch of highway, allowing the driver to make their deliveries and return home. However, the next day, the same driver and the same truck are coming across the same terrain. But this time, the truck has a gross weight of 80,000 pounds. Even with the additional weight, the driver notices similar characteristics on the route as the previous day with the lighter load. This example illustrates the consistency of dynamic power. Even with different loads, the powertrain operated the same, and the driver was satisfied on both trips.
Dynamic power, another great feature available with the Cummins X15 and X12 EX ratings.